Hi, in part 1, we learn how to add data. So let's say here, we click on add. So you see that it's added. And if I double click here, or maybe double click here, I can select the item and I change it to name. And I just change it update so you can see that it's now updated. Okay, so in part 2 is here. You're gonna add value here also, but you have a drop down and we can add it. So you can see here, let's just add another one here and then just add. So you can see it's also added and the ID is automatically added also. Now I'm going to double click this item and you can change it to Jeremy and then change back to basic, and I change it update and you can see that it's now updated. And if I want to choose this item to delete, I can do so. Click on this, delete. Let's see, one moment. Yeah, I think there is let's just add. Okay, I'll select this item and choose delete. Yep, I deleted the item and the ID is automatically selected, so that is something we want to fix. But I'm just demonstrating to you that this is what part 2 can do. So you have in part 2 you're going to add a column, a combo box, and then also a button. And just as part 1, I have created a guide for you so you can follow this. So those bold one is where we want to add the items there. Okay, thanks for watching. God bless you. Remember, if you don't know, it is okay, but don't stay in the don't know stage. Move up, learn a new skill. Together we excel before 50.